Hello, smart money trader. Good night. Okay. On the chart, I'm looking at Great British Pound against Japanese yen. They call it, to shorten it, they call it GJ. Okay. Before I go into the video, I'm gonna ask you guys please to subscribe, share, and like. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a top-down analysis plus catch a entry using smart money concept. Okay. All right. So let's go. Let's dive into the video. Okay, let's put this right here. All right. All right. First of all, I'm looking at. I'm on a daily time frame. What I notice on a daily time frame now, I notice that the pairs GJ is going up for a period of time. But these two red line I mark out right here is represent uh these represent a strong resistant area. This represent a strong support area, which the market gonna retest over again. So right here we have an order block right here between this zone right here. So hopefully the market could retrace back down to 84.5. So the momentum is now selling from on the daily time frame. As you can see, we have most candle close bearish. We have one, two, three candle close bearish. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go on a small time frame to catch an entry so we can sell the market from we can sell the market from 87.1 to 84.5. Okay. So we're gonna sell before we buy the market. Okay, so right here create a resistance. That's why I highlighted these zones. These zones I highlighted represent a strong resistance area, strong support, support, support. Okay, and this is a strong order block right here. So I'm gonna go on a 4 hour time frame and let's now observe what the market is doing on the 4 hour time frame. So what we do now, we're gonna observe what the market is doing for 4 hour time frame. So we're gonna see jaw the trend line right here. We can notice that the market have changed the trend on the 4 hour time frame because we have a of break of the trend line right here. We have a break of the trend line right here, and we have this zone, this load. We have the last previous loan taken out. You can see the last previous high, previous low taken out by this zone. So we highlighted that this is the last previous high that was taken out, lower high that taken out. So okay, so after we notice that the last previous lower height has taken out, bear in mind we're gonna want to sell the market because we have a last previous low taken out. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mark out a strong area that strong supply area that the market has that pushed down the market to break the structure. So we mark out here. This here is a strong supply level that the market that pushed down the market lower. We will mark it as supply zone. Reason why I call it here is a strong supply zone because we have a strong impulses move away from market was buying down, and now we have a strong break of structure that closed below this level. So we still analyze it, doing a top-down analysis same way. We go on a H1 time frame. We notice that the market is creating lower lows. Let's see. We go on a 1 hour time frame and we notice that the market is creating lower lows and lower highs. What we are gonna continue. We are basically in our mind we're gonna say that the market is gonna continue doing the same thing. That's what is with my trade. Okay, so let's remove this. Alright. So alright. So from right this after the market top in our supply area right here, so we can look for a selling opportunity. We go on a 30 minutes time frame, no less than 30 minutes time frame, guys, please. Okay, so the market has now top in our supply area. What we notice here, we also have a imbalance. You can also call this. We notice that here, so we have an imbalance, a fair value gap in this zone right here. So we're gonna wait for a confirmation. We wait until the market close below this level. So we're gonna enter from this position right here. Short. We're gonna enter a short position from this zone right here. Ready. And make sure we're stop above this imbalance. Our target right here. Our first TP gonna be right here. And also we're gonna wait for the next entry right here again. Coming London session, we're gonna wait and another pullback again. We're gonna wait till we hit our target right here. Then we wait on another pullback, so we can definitely enter another sell position for this zone. Okay. So basically, we also gonna call here. Let's put back the supply level right here, and we're gonna mark out the imbalance. Let's mark out the imbalance, guys. Market has never reached up the supply zone, so it react after the fair value gap. Fair value gap is a gap between two candles. I'm gonna show you guys how I mark it out. So right here gonna be the fair value gap between these two candles. There's a fair value gap. Yeah, here is the fair value gap. So the market react off of the fair value gap and sell off. So tomorrow, London King Zone, we're gonna wait for another sell setup on GJ. Okay. So right now the market is now retesting this zone right here. I'm gonna mark out right here. This is a zone right here. So market gonna retest it before I sell again. Okay. So let's recap again. Once we go on the daily time frame, we observe what the market is doing. We notice that the market is heading up and now resist this level I highlight this level as a strong resistance level as that I'll fail to break, let me see, around one couple days well. So and now we go on the 4 hour time frame again. We observe what the market is doing on the 4 hour time frame. We notice that the market is creating a downtrend. So we have a breakout structure. Last low was as breaking out and a pull back to this fair value gap or supply level. So we enter after on the 30 minutes after see a strong bullish engulfing candlestick close below this green candle right here, and also we're gonna wait again, we're gonna target this low. Let's mark out the zone that we are targeting. Basically you should always mark the zone, guys. That is the zone that we're gonna target. So after break this structure, we're gonna wait again to wanna pull back London kill zone or New York session. So basically this is the zone that I'm gonna target on the next move. So I'm gonna target at least, wow, 100, 200 pip, guys. Let's measure it again. We're gonna target at least 200 pip. Wow, this is a lot of pip. Actually 250 pip, guys. So tomorrow, hopefully I make another re-entry from here to there. So we're gonna look for a buys. We're gonna look for a buyer. We're gonna look for a buy to the upside back after a good confirmation on the lower time frame. Okay, so that's it, guys. So please to subscribe to the video and share, comment and like. Okay, so I catch you guys in the next video. Okay.